The Honeywell HRF-A100 Pre-Cut Carbon Pre-Filter Pack comes with a 1-year supply of Genuine Honeywell Pre-Filters. This Honeywell Pre-Filter A helps to capture larger airborne particles such as dust, lint, fibers, pet hair, and fur from the air that passes through the pre-filter. By capturing these larger particles, pre-filters help to maximize your HEPA filter's life. These pre-filters are made with activated carbon, which is extremely efficient in capturing particular household gases such as ammonia and the gases from cleaning products, paint, and furnishing. Compatible does not mean comparable. For the best performance, use only Genuine Honeywell Air Purifier filters. Compatible air purifier filter replacements are not guaranteed to offer the same performance or efficiency. All Honeywell Genuine filters can be found at HoneywellStore.com. For best performance, it is recommended you replace your pre-filter every 3 months. With a subscription to the Honeywell filter of your choice at HoneywellStore.com, you can take the guesswork out of when you should order a new filter. This way, you'll always have cleaner, fresher air to breathe without the hassle of ordering new filters yourself. The HRF-A100 is designed exclusively to fit Honeywell medium room HEPA air purifiers, including the HPA094, HPA100, HPA101, HPA104, HPA105, HPA106, HPA3100, HPA5100, and HPA5150. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.